Sorry, there's a lot of ads here. I know there's a lot of time, but this is a few facts about the basics of Jupiter and its moons. Yep, it's Jupiter and its moons at least. Meh. No, not you. No. Meh. Okay, so first up, Jupiter. Jupiter isn't just like the flat, beautiful guy like Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This guy has some yep, Jupiter has some strange-looking clouds, and its great red spot. Okay, this might sound kinda new, but the great red spot is only 400 years old. Well, that's still a long time compared to the human's average lifespan. At least that's pretty long compared to. Now here is a fun fact for each of the Galilean moons. Here's a fun fact in between. Come on, will you stop it, Best Buy? Okay. Did you know that all the Galilean moons actually have atmospheres? Just they're extremely thin. Yeah. I don't think you're going to see any re-entry effect there. Or very much of one. Io. It has many volcanoes. Is green with some colorful spots, and guess what? Its surface is rough and has a lot of volcanoes around it. Hey, I think I could nickname it the Venus of Jupiter. Comment how that sounds below and what you would nickname that moon. That's the little green moon over there at the bottom. Below that one, and that one. Like, it's the moon where my cursor's on. That hand with one finger sticking out. Like the point finger. Yeah. Next up is Europa, which is this moon. The one where the hand's at. I love Tennessee. That was my birthland. I miss that thing. Comment down if you've been there, or lived there, or was even born there. No time for fears, bro. Kid reviewed. Hey, I love that tape, bro. Let's just zoom out and find out where it is. There it is. My Grammy lives there now. Europa is usually white with some orange across it, with some orange lines. I think it's smooth most of the time, but sometimes it's probably gonna get pretty rough. Next up is Ganymede. It's the largest moon in our solar system, and it's the one where my cursor's at, the hand. It is literally the biggest moon in our solar system. It even has its own magnetic field. And at least that has something to relate with, I guess, space. Look at that name. Well, hello. No, that's not it. That one. I wonder why Disney's on the top. It should be the dolphin. Here it is. Here's Pluto on Wikipedia. Now let's go back here. Ganymede literally has its own magnetic field. I think its terrain is similar to Europa's, except it's more gray instead of white and doesn't have those orange lines. And finding Callisto, the one where my hand's at. This one is cratered, similar to our moon. Yep. And it's brown with many white spots across it. I do not know how all those white spots came across it. Now bye. See you later.